Hello everyone, and welcome to this little demonstration of how our new campaign builder works. After clicking on the green Create Campaign button, you'll be taken to this first screen. Here you can choose between 6 call to action tiles, based on what you'd like your ambassadors to do for you. Like, comment or share your content, post your own content, follow you on social media, give you inputs or feedback, check out your content, or provide you with referrals. For this demonstration, we'll pick the first tile, like, comment, or share your content. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to the second screen. Here you can finalize your choice and paste the URL of an image, a video, an article, a social media post, anything really, and pick what kind of interaction you want from your ambassadors. We'll pick share and click on next. Here, you're taken to the editor of the campaign, where you can basically customize your campaign however you want. On the top left corner, you see the points or coins that your ambassadors will gain, the name of your campaign that the editor picks automatically, but you can always change by clicking on it, and the author of the campaign that you can also change by clicking on it. We'll select Bruce and save the author. This is the title of your campaign. By clicking on it again, you can always edit it and customize it however you want. The same thing goes for the image and the body of the campaign. By clicking on it, you can always add more information, change it, edit it, and for example, give more clues, more info as to what you'd like your ambassadors to do with this campaign. Here, for example, we'll encourage them to share this post on as many social media networks as possible. By clicking the plus sign, you can add media to the campaign, an image or a video. By highlighting a segment of your text, you can customize it, making bold, italics, underlining, or even add a link to it. Here you see again the link that you've pasted earlier and the preview that your ambassadors will see on the campaign. By clicking on these, you can always change them. Add more text, remove it, customize it however you want. By clicking on Add Preview, you can add an alternative, a variant. You can import it from the link, or you can choose your own image and text to add. This, again, just creates more diversity for your ambassadors. Here you can enable different share buttons, Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, any social media you'd like your ambassadors to share your link to. And here at the bottom, you have different settings to add a default message for Facebook share, tweets, LinkedIn share, or email. For example, here we'll add a LinkedIn share default message and customize it again. If you scroll down, you can also add a thank you message, which is the message your ambassadors will see once they do interact with the campaign. You can also choose to add UTM tracking parameters and values and enable conversion tracking. Don't forget to configure a reward and set up your conversion pixel. Here you have your HTML code. And if you're not sure how all of this works, you can always click this link below for more information on how to set it up. If we scroll back up, we can always edit the previews. And on the right side, we have a sidebar with additional settings that you can always choose to hide. Under tags, you can pick a tag for your campaign that will make it easier for your ambassadors and for yourself to find it in the back and front end. You can select the channels you'd like your campaign to appear on, the language, and the audience, of course. Here you can add filters to filter your audience and choose which members of your community will be able to see the campaign. Don't forget to save. Under comments and likes, you can enable comments and allow your ambassadors to like the campaign. If you save it or exit it, you can choose to save your campaign as a draft that you'll be able to see in the backend, or delete the draft altogether. If we click on continue, we'll be taken to the last step. Here you can choose to publish your campaign now or schedule your campaign for later. Under schedule it, you can pick, of course, date and the time when you'd like your campaign to be shared. You can set a date for your ambassadors to not be able to participate anymore, or to hide the campaign from the ambassadors. Under publish your campaign now, you can do the same thing again. For now, we'll exit the campaign and save it as a draft. Now let's go to the backend. Here's our campaign. Now we can preview it on the community. This allows you to see how the campaign will look exactly to your ambassadors when they open it on the front end. By clicking on the LinkedIn button, you're taken to the Share panel. We see our default message and the preview. If you click on Share, you're immediately going to share it on your LinkedIn feed, but you can also schedule it for later.